I remember starting this and just like being in so much pain that it was like, I remember, you were asking me to like get up off the couch, just to like, get the assessment. And it was like, I had to put the laptop down, be like, oh, give me a second, and I had to like scoot out of the chair, and I was in pain. And one, I tried to fix myself. I ended up getting a physical therapist after this. There was no real noticeable change. The benefits were minor. The results of all of those other things were negligible. They weren't this program. That's for certain. Before, because of the low back, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't sleep comfortably. I couldn't disc golf. I couldn't lift. Definitely couldn't do strongman. And honestly, I can do all three of those. So I'm able to do everything that I wanted to do before I started the program. I'm smashing. I'm better. I'm playing better disc golf than I did, before I was injured. I can trust myself to do things again, and it's fantastic. Losing that confidence is terrible, and getting that back is so good, so good. When I had spoken to you the first time, I didn't know if I was going to feel better. Well, sciatica and just the herniation itself, it's like, it's not something that, it's not fun. Terrible time. Horrible. And I didn't know if I'd be able to come back to lifting, disc golfing, and all that. And honestly, like, it makes me so happy that, I can wake up in the morning and it doesn't hurt to get out of bed. It doesn't hurt to roll over. It doesn't hurt to do anything. It blows my mind that I'm at this point. I didn't know if I'd be able to be back at this point. So thank you. Honestly, thank you so much.